Haven't lodged a tax return for a few years and a little bit worried about what's going to happen? Not to fear. Here's all the information you need to know. We quite regularly get new clients who haven't done tax returns for a number of years, and the one big factor that we tend to see in that is the stress level that goes along with the worry about not knowing how you fix it and what's actually going to happen. So this week I'm going to have a chat with you about what we can do to help you. So the first thing you need to know is it's always better for you to lodge the returns rather than waiting for the tax office to catch up with you. The tax office will send you a number of reminders and letters, but it can actually escalate to the point where the tax office make an assessment based on what they think your income was for the year. And if that happens, they actually won't allow you to claim any deductions, and they will impose penalties. We have seen penalties of up to 75% applied. So we really don't want you to get to that point. So when you get those letters and you're aware that you've got overdue returns, give us a call and we'll let you know what we can do. There's a lot of information that we can probably get directly from the tax office. So as soon as we've added you onto our client list, we can see exactly how many returns you've got outstanding. And we can also see what information the tax office already has. So for example, group certificates, interest, dividends, a lot of that information we may actually be able to get direct from the ATO. We can prepare tax returns electronically on Xero back to 2014. Previously to that, we do also have access to software that will enable us to lodge tax returns way back to about 2002. So we can actually do those for you really simply and easily. And you're not going to believe the stress relief that you're going to feel once it's all done. The ATO can choose to impose penalties even if you are due a refund. So if you had a really good reason as to why the returns were overdue, we can always try and get those reversed for you. But as I said, the best thing to do once you're aware that you've got overdue tax returns is to get in touch with us so that we can liaise with the ATO, let them know we're onto it, and then we can get them lodged as quickly as possible for you and help you with keeping up to date with your tax obligations from then on. And as I said, you won't believe how much better it feels knowing that that weight's gone and that at least you have an answer, whether it's that you owe the tax office money and we can enter you into a payment arrangement, we can apply for debt waivers and those sorts of things. A lot of the time actually we find that people are owed really big refunds, so it's nice to be able to get that from the ATO as well and be able to use it for your family. Thanks for tuning in. Always happy to talk to new or current clients about any of these tax situations, so give us a call and get in touch, and we'll see you next week.